Greetings fellow traders and investors. I'm sure you'll be aware that the volume of my analysis and forecast postings has greatly diminished over the past year or so, but before I explain why, I'll give you the good news, which is my forthcoming schedule of analysis that includes a detailed look at the current state of the UK and US housing bull markets, as well as for in-depth updates for markets I've already been covering this year, i.e. gold, silver, crude oil and Bitcoin. And then a really in-depth look at the prospects for the stock market, which will include specific stocks to profit from in my machine intelligence investing series. And then we have the Trump reset war with China series to continue with, where the latest flare-up being the trade war. I also aim to take a close look at currencies with my focus on the British pound and US dollar. So there is plenty of analysis and concluding trend forecasts in the pipeline. And now for the bad news. It's basically this, that as things stand, I have a disincentive to do all the hard work of converting my ongoing research into analysis articles and videos that conclude in detailed trend forecasts. The reason being is one of rampant theft of content. Clearly accurate analysis breeds theft, which has resulted in a collapse of the market oracle site's revenues to 1/10 of what they were just a couple of years ago. And it's not just Trump's favourite crooks, the Chinese, who have been stealing my site lock, stock and barrel, such as this guy in China. Yep, I've got versions of my site across a number of languages popping up all over the internet. Even complete copies in English too. And it gets worse for even articles that I post that I intend on turning into YouTube videos virtually immediately appear on the likes of YouTube videos such as this.
Currencies, Bitcoin March 17th, 2018 8:48 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time by Nadeem Walayat. Before we get to my technical take on the prospects for the Bitcoin price, apparently the cryptocurrencies were subject to a FUD attack on Friday, where FUD stands for fear, uncertainty and doubt. That seems to be the automatic response of the crypto crowd to any bad news. So what happened to trigger this avalanche of FUD panic?
And this.
Politics, North Korea, May 25, 2018 7:52 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time by Nadeem Walayat. Trump cancels the summit with North Korea's Little Rocket Man. 4 angry statements that followed Trump spokespersons such as Bolton stating that they were planning a Libya model for North Korea.
And here's another example from a content thief that's accrued even more subscribers than what my channel has.
Gold corrects. Bitcoin markets crash, whilst stocks plunge. Bitcoin's $20,000 bubble mania peak of mid-December that valued the cryptocurrency at $320 billion has long since been left in the dust as Bitcoin has crashed well below $10,000, wiping out $170 billion of the value of participants' holdings.
And then we come to my YouTube videos. All that hard work spanning many years, all stolen in a blink of an eye by crooks such as this. Virtually every video I've done is re-uploaded on numerous channels. Before you ask, yes, I have tried and succeeded in getting videos taken down. But it is a very time-consuming process, filling out forms. It's literally like playing whack-a-mole, because for every video I get taken down, several more pop up elsewhere. So folks, as you can see, it has become completely disheartening for me to spend weeks, even months doing all that hard work just for some thief to come along and steal it within minutes of my posting it, profiting from all my hard work that has resulted in a collapse of revenues for my website to 1/10 of what it used to be just a couple of years ago. which is why you're going to find me posting what I call my leisure videos that, well, don't have much invested in them in terms of time and effort.
7 o'clock and we're trying to get out, but the traffic is jammed.
Everybody's getting frustrated. So they're going to get out and have a fight now. Chaos. Thought park chaos. People trying to get out and they can't. They're sending round and round in circles. And they're getting frustrated. And peeping. Just going round and round and round and round. I'm not going to even try and get out. So in terms of market analysis content, I have a choice of either going quietly into the night and only end up doing the occasional analysis articles and videos, or try and fight the content thieves through a possible solution called Patron, which is a platform that makes it easy for creators to get paid for their hard work, which would thus allow me to once more be focused on what's most important, which is producing quality analysis and high probability detailed trend forecasts. So folks, please do consider supporting my work so we can all ignore the content thieves and get back to the business of making money, trading and investing on the basis of my in-depth analysis and detailed trend forecasts.